You've seen how to count and measure things with rational numbers. You've also seen how to graph rational numbers on a number line and find absolute value. In this video, we develop techniques for adding rational numbers. Let's start with an example. To avoid turbulence, an airplane at 30,000 feet makes a course correction and descends 525.25 feet. Write the change in altitude as a rational number addition expression, then simplify it. Write 30,000 as a positive integer and the descent as a negative rational number as shown here. Adding a negative number is the same as subtracting a positive number. So rewrite the expression as shown here. In this form, we are dealing with subtraction. The answer is 29,474.75. Let's look at another example. A submersible 500 feet below the surface of the water made 3 additional descents of 5.75 feet each. Use a number line to show the submersible's new position. Use a number line to model the 3 incremental descents. Start at negative 500 and add increments of negative 5.75. With addition on a number line, the direction of the jump from one point to another is determined by the sign. 3 jumps that are increments of negative 5.75 results in negative 515.75. This is summarized by this addition expression. Let's look at another example. Add the following rational numbers. This is a combination of mixed numbers and decimals. To simplify the addition, convert the mixed numbers to decimals. We end up with this expression. 25.75 plus negative 22.5 plus 13.75 plus negative 4.85. We know that adding a negative is the same as subtracting a positive, so we rewrite the expression to get this. 25.75 minus 22.5 plus 13.75 minus 4.85. This simplifies to 12.15. Let's look at a final example. 2 rational numbers on a number line are equally far apart from 0. One number is negative and one number is positive. What is their sum? The letters shown on the number line represent rational numbers that are the same distance from 0. So the absolute value for each number is the same as shown here. The sum of these 2 rational numbers is shown here. A plus negative a. Recall that the sum of a negative number can be rewritten as subtraction of a positive number. We get a minus a, which by definition is equal to 0. Why did we choose a letter to represent a rational number rather than specific values? What we have shown are several things. First, every non-zero rational number has an opposite. Second, rational numbers and their opposites have the same absolute value and are the same distance from 0 on the number line. The sum of a rational number and its opposite is 0.